Reflection symmetry is also known as mirror symmetry. It is when an object or shape is identical on both sides of a line of reflection. Radial symmetry is when an object or shape looks the same from multiple points of rotation around a central point. Translation symmetry is when an object or shape that can be moved along a straight line without changing its appearance. Spiral symmetry occurs when a shape or pattern repeats itself in a spiral fashion, either expanding or contracting outward from a central point. Meanders refer to the repeated patterns or designs that have a flowing, curved shape similar to a meander river. Dunes refer to patterns that mimic the shape's movement of dunes in sand. Waves, patterns that mimic the shape's movements of waves in water. Bubbles are spherical packets of gas surrounded by a thin film of liquid or solid. Tessellation is a process of covering a surface with geometric shapes, such as tiles, without leaving any gaps or overlaps. Fracture refers to the separation of a material into two or more pieces due to stress or force. Stripes and spots are two common patterns found in nature. Stripes typically refer to parallel lines or bands of color. Fractals are complex geometric shapes that can be split into two parts, each of which is reduced scale copy of the whole. Affine transformation is a type of transformation in which all parallel lines in the original shape remain parallel in the transformed shape.